morning and welcome to Kings Island. We are here just for a very short time just to get on a couple of rides, mainly to ride great rides like the Beast, Mystic Timbers, Banshee, Diamondback, and also check out on the brand new antique cars. So let's go in and check it out. So Kings Island is now open. Early entry is on Mystic Timbers, and despite the crappy weather, we do have quite a bit of a dedicated fan base of coaster enthusiasts.
You can pull up on the lap bar.
All right, so we just got off of Mystic Timbers, not just once, but twice. We did it first time in the front row, and then the second time in the back row, and that is running really, really good. It's really wet right now. The wood is broken into, has a little bit of roughness to it, but that's how I like a good wooden roller coaster. I would say I like the front and the back equally well. That is a great GCI, one of their best. So now let's on to the next ride. Got off of Diamondback, and that was actually running quite good despite it being kind of cold. We rode in the back row and you got a lot of pull going down those drops. Diamondback's not my favorite B&M hyper, but it was running really good today. Here's a photo op for The Beast, 40 Years of Terror. This is right outside of the entrance. Just got off of my favorite roller coaster here at Kings Island, the Beast. Despite the problems that people say about it, I absolutely love it. The roughness, the intensity, the laterals, the pure speed, the length, it is absolutely awesome. And despite it being cold and wet, that thing was running really, really good. Also, the new trains with the flame color, how it goes red, orange, and then yellow, I think looks really good, especially for a ride that's now celebrating its 40th anniversary, or 40th birthday, I should say. But absolutely awesome. I think we're gonna give it another go.
All right, how well do you think you did?
I know, I named a lot of hot things. I was spending about
$65 cash for you. I'll take it. Congratulations.
are over by Flight of Fear, the X-Base section of the park, now -1 ride. Over here was Firehawk, and as you can still see, the sign is still peeping out from behind the fence, as well as the photo booth stand and even the entrance of the ride, but the ride is completely demolished. Now, in terms of what's coming here, I have no idea, but it's probably going to be that long-rumored Giga coming for 2020. But as of right now, it's just Flight of Fear back here behind the racer. We are all done now with Banshee. Just got off of a back row ride on that. Very good. Could really feel the G-forces. That's easily one of the best inverts. Not my favorite, but it's easily one of the best, like top 2 or 3. That's gonna do it here at Kings Island. Despite only being here for only 4 hours, we got to do quite a few awesome rides, such as Mystic Timbers, Diamondback, the Beast, Banshee, and we even got to try a spin on the all-new antique cars. Kings Island is honestly one of my favorite regional theme parks. I always love coming here, and while we weren't here for a full day, we still made the most out of it. So, signing off here in front of the Eiffel Tower, thank you all for riding, and I'll see you next time.